What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is Nelson. Today I'm inside this 2008 Toyota Prius. You guys, this Prius. Oh, tripping. I'll show you guys this Prius, and we're actually gonna start by kind of like turning it off. So the car's on right now. Got my got my key here and it won't give it to me. What's going on? Okay. Ooh. Regular Toyota key. I'm not sure if I want to put it back in there, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit start. All right, breakdown. Start. Got your Toyota displays. Vehicle's on. It's got 196,000 miles. So woo, it's got its miles. Now the shifter is really odd on it. This is the shifter here. So you're gonna put your brake down and you're gonna put it into where you want. Let's go reverse. And then you see I got a reverse camera. A little bit of reverse camera, reverse mirror. Kind of like a hatchback type of thing. It's always beeping. And then put it into drive to go forward. This other display comes on, and if you want to just charge the battery kind of the way it's going there, you're gonna hit down for B, and that's just gonna charge your battery up now. And then when you want to put it in park, it's a little weird. So it's a neutral here, so I think I have to have a neutral, I'm not sure, and then you just hit park. There you go. And when you do that, you can basically turn the car off, and then it'll be off. So a little different, a little odd. I've been in a couple Priuses, and this type of joystick thing could be really weird to maneuver. Break down, drive. All right, guys, you guys ready to go on a POV test drive? Let's go. So we got this display here, and to me, it's a little bit odd, the display. Can't say that I like it too much. It's a little confusing, and it makes me a little nervous. I'm just like, what's happening? Is it doing it correctly? I don't know. So we're just going to go to, it's got a display which shows us that information, trip information, climate, and then audio. So this audio also took me a minute to figure it out. Let's go to the Hawk. Let's see what's playing. Nothing. What's playing over here? Country. Again this morning. That's pretty cool. Tune over here, little compartment here for some stuff. Old Toyota Prius, but pretty cool. Let me hit this information. Let me see, trip information. Okay, consumption. That's what I want to know, how much MPG I'm getting. I don't know, it's a little dirty, so I can't tell. This is not my vehicle. I actually did the headlights for it. So that's what I do right now to get vehicles to drive. What I do is I do headlights for people, and they'll let me drive their cars for free as long as I do the headlights for them. We got our power switch here. Looks good, but look at this. So that's definitely some big wear issues right there. Door handles are looking good, looking sharp. I got some stickers over here. It looks like electrical tape just to cover up some stuff. It says ready, recirculating. And yeah, but what do you guys think? Should we get to the video? What should we talk about today? I have no idea. Getting my car smogged and getting a mechanical inspection done on it by a certified mechanic right now. I think it's probably gonna need some brake pads. Even though the brake pads are huge on it, they're still squeaking on my other Toyota Camry, the one that's getting inspected right now. So whether he tells me that I need new brake pads or not, I think I'm gonna still get them done. Toyota Camry, or this Toyota Prius, drives pretty good. I think the motor's just a little loud on it. I know these things have tiny little motors, and I've actually almost got into an accident in a Prius. I'll tell you, the most dangerous thing about a Prius is that you don't know if it's on or not. And that happened to me one time where I was parked next to a Prius and I was going into my car to get into it. So I opened my door and the Prius is on to my left. Open the door, and the Prius starts reversing and like moving, kind of like he turned the steering wheel to like move towards me, and he almost hit my door. So I had to like close the door and like get out of the way, because you can't hear the Prius when it's on, and when you can't hear it, well, you don't know it's on and you don't know it's moving. So yeah, Prius can be pretty tricky sometimes. Like same thing when I first hopped into this, I had to take a second to look at these controls, figure out how this stuff works. My teeth totally got stuck in there, so I'm not sticking it back in there again. Push start, baby. Push start the whip. But yeah, I mean, things just kind of happen on the road. And if you're just starting out, got a lot of people who are just starting driving, and they're always you know, when you just start out, you're always looking at kind of like an older model car. Sometimes you're not ready for that brand new car, for that brand new car payment. So there's nothing wrong with an older model car. My brother actually drove a Toyota Prius cross country, and he said it was amazing. He slept in it, and he always pulled off to the side of the road, to the Walmarts, places that were safe. And he said it was an amazing experience, and that the Prius never let him down. And we've had a couple Priuses before. I've had nothing but high mileage Priuses, because, well, that's what they are. They're kind of just for commuting. They're for going around everywhere and getting amazing MPGs. That's what I was trying to look at right here. Let me see if it'll give me a consumption now. So like 30 minutes. I'm not sure what this, it says 38 mpgs, average 38 mpgs, so that's pretty good. I don't really know. Oh, there's the gas, about half a tank. So yeah, I mean, I've never done no cross country driving like that. That would be like super cool. That's like something that I definitely want to do. I always wanted to get like an RV and go. Oh, look, a Prius thing. Oh, maybe it goes on the seats. So with for 190,000 miles, it's in good shape. I mean, some common Toyota things I've seen, low mileage Toyota like Camrys and Corollas that have this issue here. Those things are just common. Those kinds of things always freaking break. It's 104 out today, so it is actually one of the nicer days out. And I gotta tell you, I'm so used to this weather already. It's been sweating. I've been sweating every single day that I go to work right now because of the work that I do. Let me adjust my seat a bit. I'm gonna drive like a cholo. Oh, I love it. I love driving like this on my Acura Integra. My seats were so broken that I just got used to driving like this too, like a straight OG. But what was I saying? I'm just used to this weather now. Like I love the hot. I do. I hate the cold. I'm actually Mexican, you know, but I got a name like Naoshin because my parents were so afraid when they first came to this country of being like deported and stuff. So they literally, in like elementary school, all my brothers, they bleached our hair blonde. Nelson, Jason, Christian, named us all these crazy names. So yeah, it's just everyone thinks I'm super white, but I actually am Hispanic. But I'm pretty like light skin, kind of, even though I've gotten super dark working in the sun like every single day. But I love working in the sun. I love hard work. I just love it when I go to the gym. I even hit it even harder, going to the gym now for 2 months, and it has been amazing. I love the gym. I love the gym life. I run about like a mile a day, or not a mile a day, but like a mile every 3 times a week, because I only go like 3 times a week to the gym. I'm not a super gym freak just yet, but I am taking some protein. I'm getting bigger, getting stronger. So I appreciate you guys stepping into the vlog and seeing how life is going for me. Life is going great. And yeah, everything's just going cool. Everything's in its place. Last week, everything was just terrible. Absolutely terrible. Just a bunch of deals that fell through. We had like 6 cars sold basically, and they all fell through. Not one single sale. I think a lot of people watching their money. I think a lot of people were just buying private party. It's so much cheaper to buy a private party than to buy from a dealer. What is happening here? I mean, some construction, and I guess maybe we can't turn right? I'm not sure. Something's happening here. Oh, a branch fell. A branch fell. Okay. Oh man, they got the whole thing. Looks like they shut down the road. Turlock, I swear, Turlock's so special sometimes. Fire department's like, let's shut down the whole road for a branch. That's cool. I guess it's better than someone getting hurt and then possibly trying to sue the city of Turlock, because I gotta tell you, us Turlockians, we're just a bunch of sewers. Sometimes it's better, I know from experience, sometimes it's better just to give people their money back, send them on their way packing, man, than to deal with all their issues and all their drama. But yeah, last week was full of drama, man. Our dog bit someone and we were super afraid that they might even put him down. So we took him into the vet and we had the Turlock police, pet police, whatever you want to call us, animal control basically. And they wanted to interview us about what happened in the incident. They interviewed the guy that bit him, and I wasn't there, so I don't know 100% what happened, but I know that it was my older brother and it wasn't his dog, and he walked the dog and he fell asleep basically in our front lawn. You know, he just plopped on the front lawn with the dog on the leash, and someone came up to them and the dog got away from him and the dog ended up biting someone. So we were just super scared. We were just afraid that she was gonna get put down. We were all super stressed about it. And I think the last time she got her shots was in 2020. So I think her shot was actually expired, her rabies shot. So we had to take her to the vet, get all the paperwork done, get all her shots, and make sure everything was good. And we've done all that now, and they have told us that they're not gonna put her down, and we are just so ecstatic. So anyway, guys, here is actually the owners of this vehicle right here. So if you guys are interested in this Toyota Prius, this thing is actually really, really cool. This is Nino's Auto Sales and Auto Repair. You see they got cars from all kinds of dealers. So Turlock Auto Source brings their cars here, and actually Bonander, which is the brand new car dealership, they bring their cars over here too for smogs, mechanical inspections, and service. Nino is just a great guy. He's gonna do you right. You know, we've been working with him for like 10 years. He's bought a car from us. What am I doing here? Do I go? See, this is what's so confusing about this. Okay, neutral. And then I'm gonna put it in park. Okay, so it's in park now. Oh, who's calling me? What do you want? Oh, snaps. Cancel. Nino's Auto. Oh, perfect. My boy Nino, always ready. All right, guys. Whoa. That's the video. Like, comment, subscribe. If you guys want some more information on this 2008 Toyota Prius, please let me know right here in Nino's Auto in Turlock. Have a great day, guys. Thank you.